Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 4th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th of August, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.05. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 42.84% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 8.25% to 75.58%. In terms of the longer term, our analysis over a 12-month period indicates a projected change of around 658.81%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 397.28% to 822.35% over the coming year. In today's terms, this could place the future price somewhere between $85.43 and $158.46. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum presents the headline: D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock has been upgraded from a sell candidate to a buy candidate following the trading session on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price rose by 4.88%, moving from $16.38 to $17.18. During this trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 6.35%, reaching a low of $16.38 and a high of $17.42. Over the past 10 days, the stock has declined in 7 instances and is down by 6.58% during this period. Notably, the trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal. With an additional 77,000 shares traded compared to the previous day, in total, 30 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $520,180,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $20.56, while the lowest price recorded was 75 cents. Currently, the price stands at 16.44%, or $3.38, below the 52-week high of $20.56, which is also the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum Incorporated continues to make significant strides in the rapidly evolving quantum computing landscape, recently unveiling a suite of developer tools designed to enhance exploration in quantum artificial intelligence and machine learning. This initiative, highlighted by the release of an open-source quantum artificial intelligence toolkit, positions D-Wave favorably in a sector projected to grow from $4 billion in 2024 to an astonishing $72 billion by 2035. Such strategic innovations bolster D-Wave's competitive edge and can lead to increased system sales. Moreover, the company's focus on advanced cryogenic packaging signals a commitment to refining its quantum processor capabilities, potentially attracting new investors intrigued by cutting-edge technology. As share prices have seen a significant uptick, nearly doubling year-to-date, market sentiment remains optimistic, especially ahead of its second quarter earnings report. However, caution is advised as the stock has surged by 97% in the second quarter alone, raising questions about revenue normalization and valuation sustainability. While immediate reactions to earnings reports may create volatility, the long-term outlook remains positive given the industry's potential growth and D-Wave's innovative strides. Thus, developments today are likely to shape investor perception and stock performance both in the short and long term. warranting close attention to the future direction of quantum computing investments. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 13th of June, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock an overall strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this suggests a general buy signal for the stock, leading to a positive outlook. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $17.53. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support around $16.52 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. The rising volume alongside the price increase is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact the near-term direction. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and currently, the stock has decreased by 15.37%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal occurred 118 days ago. The short-term moving average, a sell signal was identified 8 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was noted 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 14 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average showed a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was observed 72 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 191 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $16.56. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a high level of risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.04 between its high and low, which is a change of 6.35%. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.89%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 0.07. It's crucial to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $17.55. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $16.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 21st of July, 2025, Nguyen Diane conducted an insider sale of 4,066 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. conducted an insider sale of 8,607 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Also, on the 21st of July, 2025, Bharat's Alan E. conducted an insider sale of 33,778 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the 20th of June, 2025, Nguyen Diane conducted an insider sale of 2,501 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. On the same day, Markovich John M. conducted an insider sale of 10,584 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/10,000 per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 30.732. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 44,794,587 shares and sold a total of 87,210,925 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.16, which reflects a decline of 5.92%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a sell to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 5th of August, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open lower by 187 thousandths of a dollar, starting off at $16.99. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.